You won't need to take care of this home because it's going to take care of you. Welcome to 1039 Thompson Drive. This beautiful Minto-built home in North Oshawa will not disappoint. It's got upgrades galore and it's big. Come on, let's go take a look. The kitchen with the great room is really the heart of the home, and it's got so many beautiful finishes. 10-foot ceilings with a waffle finish. It's got gorgeous appliances, nice chunky countertops. One of my favorite features is this 36-inch Deluxe induction stove and the herringbone backsplash here. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got a stainless steel LG fridge with a water dispenser. And one of my favorite things about this kitchen is the pass-through into the servery, which has ample storage space, a great opportunity to put a wine bar or a coffee station, and a beautiful big walk-in pantry to store all your food and other small appliances.
As a host, you're going to love the easy access to the servery. No need to worry about extra storage space in the kitchen, as you'll have plenty of backup storage here. With easy access to the dining room, you're going to love how this home is perfectly laid out to entertain guests.
Enter through the double doors into the primary bedroom. This is a true retreat with its own little foyer, 2 large walk-in closets, and a glorious sleeping area with room for seating or a desk. It's got a coffered ceiling and large picture windows that face south. A really important part of the primary suite is the 5-piece ensuite bathroom with a freestanding soaker tub, a double vanity, and a glass shower. Just gorgeous. The second bedroom has its own private ensuite bathroom, which is perfect for teens or guests, and all the bedrooms have plenty of closet space. Bonus points in this house, it's got second floor laundry and a big walk-in linen closet. Ideally located just minutes south of Highway 407, a quick drive to Costco and the Walmart Supercenter, and very close to Durham College and Ontario Tech University. This beautiful home is tucked into a quiet, family-friendly pocket that was built by Minto very recently. This home has never been lived in, and it's one of North Oshawa's crown jewels.